Okay, hi guys, this is how you want to wash your wig. You want to keep your finger where the part is if you want to keep the part in the same spot. Turn on your tap and just very gently get it all wet. Then you're going to use a good quality shampoo and conditioner. I like the Pantene. And you're going to be very gentle around the top of the wig, smoothing it through the ends. Make sure to really get the hair saturated with the shampoo. Again, keeping your finger here to just kind of keep everything neat on the top. I'm using hot water. Then you're going to move on to your conditioner. Also a pump of that. Now the conditioner you want to keep mainly in the middle to the ends and a drop on top. You don't want to do too much on top. Now if you feel like your wig needs a little leave-in treatment, if it's feeling dry or knotty, you can use a leave-in mask. And again, mostly in the ends and the middle of the hair. And you can leave that on for a couple of minutes and then wash it out. Okay. Now when the wig is done being washed, take a paddle brush and just gently brush it so that it dries without any knots. Again, being super gentle by the top and really only brushing more roughly throughout the ends. Then you're going to put it on a styrofoam head and place it onto a towel and let it dry completely before styling.